Look what I did.
Oh, what are those?
I call them Glen Wads. They contain every delicious flavor in every single bite. Try one.
I'm not gonna lie to you, they look disgusting.
This shit will get you high on flavor alone.
Glen, I love your wads.
Glenn, these are like literally the most incredible thing I've ever eaten.
Okay, I've got to make that. I've been wanting to eat a friggin' Glen Wad since I first applied to college in 2008. Let's get experimental in the kitchen by mixing together flour, sugar, and unsweetened cocoa powder, along with some salt, cinnamon, espresso powder, and demerara sugar granules for a sweet crunch. To give our brownies a mole flair, we will also mix in a pinch of cayenne pepper and black garlic, which in short are garlic cloves that have been slowly roasted until the cloves are sweet and caramelized. Then we'll toss in vanilla extract, chocolate chips, eggs, and melted butter to make the brownies extra fudgy. We'll use a hand mixer to mix together a super thick brownie batter. Make sure you scrape the bottom and sides of the bowl as you mix to prevent any dry pockets of flour. Next, we can transfer the brownie batter to a greased 9x9 baking pan. Spread the brownie batter all the way to the edges of the pan before transferring it to the oven to bake for about 55 to 60 minutes. Let the brownies then cool completely. I recommend letting them cool overnight for an extra fudgy flavor. Now, you can totally eat these brownies as is, or you can do what I did throughout high school to recreate these for myself and wad up the brownies in your hands to really create a true Glen Wad. These incredibly fudgy brownies are more savory than sweet, with crunches of sugar throughout, sweet bites of caramelized garlic, and an undertone of heat to pull everything together. Accepted came out at the peak of my own college application process, and I was definitely more of a Bartleby Gaines than a Sherman Schrader when it came to getting in. And this movie has stuck with me ever since. And in case you were wondering, yes, the website for South Harmon Institute of Technology is still up and running to this very day. Acceptance is still just a click away. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoy, and ask me about my wiener!